So today we're going to look at factorising. So we have the following equations. We have x squared minus x minus 20, and then we have, it's asking us to solve, so x squared minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So I'm just going to rewrite that quickly. So x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. So when we look into factorise, the first thing I like to do is I take the first term, so we know there's a 1 in front of you. Obviously there's x squared is just 1x squared, and then the last term minus 20, and I'm going to multiply these two together. So 1 times minus 20 is just equal to minus 20. I draw a line. Usually I don't write this first part, but I'm just doing it for completeness. And then what I want to do is I want to find two numbers multiplied together that gives us minus 20 and has a difference of minus 1. So we can start off by writing out the multiples of of 20. So 1 times 20, and we know 2 times 10, 3 doesn't go into it, 4 times 5. So we can see now the difference between 4 and 5 is 1, and we need a minus, so we just take the bigger number, so minus 5, and we know that minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1, which minus 1 minus 1x. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace minus x with minus 5x plus 4x. So we got x squared minus 5x plus 4x minus 20 is equal to 0. And we can see that minus 5x plus 4x is the exact same as minus x. So we just replaced it, so it's easier. Now we're going to take the first two terms. So we're going to take x squared and minus 5x and 4x plus minus 20, and we're going to factorise these two terms. So for x squared minus 5x, the common factor is x. So we take that outside the bracket. And then inside the bracket we're left with, so what multiplied by something gives us x squared, so x multiplied by x gives us x squared, and then x multiplied by something gives us minus 5x, and that is minus 5. Next we can look at the second two terms, so we're here 4x minus 20. So the common multiple here is plus 4, so we have 4 on the outside, and then inside the bracket we have x minus 5. So notice that these two brackets will always repeat itself. So that's one bracket, and the second bracket is here. So writing this out, we get x plus 4, and we get x minus 5, which is equal to 0. Yep, so to solve these, we're going to take it outside the bracket. So we know that x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 4, because we need to take the 4 over to the other side. So whatever we do to one side of the equation we have to do to the other. So to get rid of this 4, we take minus 4 from each side. So minus 4, and then plus 4 minus 4 is just 0, so we plus 0, and then on the other side we're left with minus 4. So for one value, x is equal to minus 4, or we know x minus 5 equals 0. And then again, same idea, we're going to want to take the 5 over to the other side. So all we're going to do is we're going to add 5 to either side of the equation. So plus 5, so x equals 5. If you or anyone you know need help with maths, then feel free to email me at wjec.mathstutor@gmail.com.